Hooray, it's time to pack for my move, but where do I start? I'm going to start with things I know I will not need until after I move. Here I'm packing kitchen appliances like an espresso machine and a juicer we know that we are not going to need. We did not purchase large moving boxes, so I'm going to break these down so that they fit together in the box. I always label the same top left corners of each box. I'm using stickers to label the location, and in the other room we'll stage the box and write what's inside. Next, I'm going to start with fragile stuff like the stained glass. Fragile stuff can take time because you have to wrap it and make sure that it gets care. If you read the description for this video, you'll see that this is a do-it-yourself, low-cost move, and we did not purchase any packing paper or bubble wrap. So we are using linens, towels, anything that is soft to package our fragile items. I'm going to label it and then add it to my staging area of boxes. Sometimes I like to take a bright sticky note, write what's inside, and tape it to the box so it's very, very obvious what's inside, especially if it's fragile. Of course, you want to be attentive to what you're packing if you want to feel some type of normalcy before you start your move. We only have 3 days to pack, so it's time to get going and pack as much as we can.